We have a lemon daddy hydrangea that is very leggy. Can I prune it? And if so, when and how? And this is from Margie from Germantown. All right, I'm familiar with lemon daddy.
Yes.
All right, it's a big leaf hydrangea or macrophylla.
Okay.
That makes a difference. Okay, big leaf macrophylla means it should have already been pruned. Should have been pruned late winter, early spring.
Okay.
If you wait to now, guess what? You're decreasing the blooms that you have for the next year.
Okay. Because they bloom on new wood.
So you have to be careful.
Yes. Okay.
You got to be careful.
I'm learning so much.
And the thing about that is, I have, of course, I don't have a lemon daddy hydrangea at home, but I do have some at home. I usually cut mine back, about an inch or two, from the ground, and that's fine.
Yes, I was just going to add that when you cut it,
Yeah.
when you do prune it, prune it at the proper time. Prune it back.
Yeah, just
take
knock it
down.
back pretty good. Yeah, it
yeah.
comes back. Real good for that. But again, with the hydrangeas, it's important to know which kind you have. Right. Some old wood, some new wood.
Right.
Some are going to be late winter, early spring. Others are going to be after it blooms in July.
Right.
Before August the 1st, usually.
Yes.
So you have to know, Miss Margie, which one you have. You have the lemon daddy macrophylla. Should have already been pruned. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.